In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix the application encountered on Unrecoverable error Roblox 2023. First, forcefully close the Roblox player from your task manager, then open the Windows Run dialog by passing Windows R and execute the command sysdm.cpl. Click OK to open the System Properties window. Navigate to the Advanced tab and click on Settings. Select the Complete Memory Dump option. Click OK and confirm by clicking OK again. After restarting your computer, press Windows R again and run the command %local updater %. Locate the Roblox installation folder and delete it, and also uninstall the Roblox player. Once this is done, you can proceed to reinstall Roblox. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.